Buddy, maybe you guys could tell me what's going on back there. Unfortunately, it only comes on when I'm driving. I can't be in two places at the same time, so I don't know, maybe you guys could help me out. As you can see, I completely took the drawer out. It's sitting on the floor. I don't know. I wish I had the luxury to stop and investigate it every mile, but I don't. Alright, well, if you guys can't figure it out, how in the world should I have good eye? Remember, that comes standard with freightliners. Every freightliner comes out of the factory, comes standard with that feature. Aha. Later.